I feel like this is what first you don't have the excuse to do like.
Are these noodles gonna be ready to come out?
It should be. Do a test though.
No, I don't think they are.
Oh, double, yeah, double.
Teamwork, yeah. A little longer. A little longer. Got a little.
Oh,
Got a little bite to it. Still kicking.
like the way you see the stuff, so
Oh yes. Okay.
I can hold.
Oh, I do have a little holder here.
See, man, roach just runs by.
I know, that's what I was thinking. Our
Seasonings.
Okay. We have accent. Just a little bit of this because it's going in the pasta. Himalayan pink salt. Onion powder. Garlic powder.
Yes.
Some garlic powder.
Definitely an abundance of garlic.
Very much so.
Pepper.
Brown pepper.
Nice stir. Okay, and then now we can't cover it.
I think this is it.
Now we're cooking with grease.
Got a
My
hole?
beautiful baby. Oh God, nobody can.
Raggedy.
That's my little hole.
Alright, and you said what about the shrimp?
So the shrimp is, I washed it off or thawed it out.
Okay.
So I was just making sure it was nice and dry.
Dry enough.
Yeah. So we can throw that shrimp on. We can turn this up, and then we can season this. Don't need a lot because remember the Alfredo sauce is gonna, but you still want it some type of seasoning. Oh, I seasoned that shit last time. I'm talking about that bitch was red when I was done. I'm gonna turn this on high. I want them to be kind of blackened a little bit, black and beautiful and dark. Teamwork, a little bit. Yeah, they're a little thicker. Always put.
But see, when I open the camera, it says that I have, well, not right now, but it says I have 2 bars of battery, even though they're lying. See, look, now it says I have 1 bar. Is it gonna last? I don't know. But here's our food that we cooked. Very delicious. Chicken, shrimp, and broccoli Alfredo.
Alfredo.
Poo poo. Good? Okay. You see they fresh. My man love meat. This one not so fresh, but I've been trying to get into the habit of changing the water because before I was just letting them die and rot. In my defense, I like how dead flowers look. I love how live flowers look or on their way out, but I just love flowers, whatever state they're in. And then these are the ones for like 2 days ago. I have these just sitting out because I like how they look on top of like this little thing that I have, but. And then I have these dead ones. But look how like they look so haunted and romantic. It's just something about like, and they have like little sparkles on them. I don't know if you can see. They got mold on them too, but super romantic and just, I don't know, kind of gothic about it. And I know we're like, some of this is like just show and tell, but like while I was gone, look at this cute little cigarette I made for my man, my little cigarette man. On that bad boy, look at it. This is my first time like actually like painting something. I need to get back into this.